Hi, good afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to yet another episode of Learn Stock Market Secrets with Ashish Sabria. In today's video, I will talk about the pain behind the pain. Do people really lose money while trading in stocks? Is intraday trading a recipe for sure disaster? Is trading in options and Bitcoin risky? So do people make money or is it just a myth? Yes, majority of the time or 95% of the traders lose money while doing trading in the stock markets. This claim was backed by a very own famous number one stockbroking company, Zerodha. So what is the solution? You need to invest in stocks and not just speculate. You need to buy good companies, make a diversified portfolio of large caps, blue chips, mid caps and small caps and hold them for the long term, and compounding will do the rest. These shares will grow into huge multi-baggers and you will get a lot of capital at the end of say 5 years, 10, 20 or maybe 30 years. I have experienced the same by investing in a portfolio of stocks more than 20 years ago. And by the grace of God, these shares have been steadily going up and up and up. So what is the secret? You need to be a long-term investor. There is no shortcut to success. I know millions of traders who have suffered heavily in the stock market, not only in the news, in friends and family circle. Majority of the people have lost more than 85 to 90% of the capital while trading in stocks over a span of 3 years. So do you want to change and do you want to start earning profits from stocks? Do you want to learn a new system which really works? Do you want to become rich? Do you want to fulfill your financial goals and dreams? Do you want to make a new start in your life? Do you want to be the breadwinner in the family? And do you want to plan for your children's higher education expenses or marriage? I can help you solve all these questions. I help beginners, traders, retail investors and working professionals to earn profits from stocks. I have helped many investors all over the country to earn excellent profits in the stock market. I have helped Raghavendra, who stays in Chennai, to earn his first profit of 2 lakhs in stocks. I have helped Navid, who stays in Delhi, to earn his first profit of 3 lakhs in stocks. And I have helped Ramesh, who stays in Calcutta, to earn his first profit of 5 lakhs in stocks. My dream and goal is to make an impact to the lives of millions of people all over the country. I would love to share my investment skills, knowledge and experience in the stock market. So come join me on this membership program. Build an excellent model portfolio, get unlimited stock tips, get curated and customized stock advice, get a list of top performing mutual funds in the country, and also you get to know a list of good potential multi-bagger stocks. So what are you waiting for? All people who are interested in building a winning portfolio in the stock market and want to invest without fear can message or call me at 9342 555 117. I am looking forward towards creating the maximum wealth for you and your family members. Let's do this wealth creation journey together. Thanking you from Ashish, Equity Research and Analyst, MBA in Finance, Bangalore. Thank you for watching this video.